The gaming industry thrives on anticipation, speculation, and rumors, and right now nothing is generating more buzz than Nintendo's next big console. The original Nintendo Switch completely changed the way we think about gaming when it launched in 2017, blending handheld portability with docked home console performance in a way that made it one of the most successful gaming systems in history. But time has passed, the competition has grown fiercer, and fans have been waiting for a worthy successor. Now, according to numerous leaks, reports, and industry whispers, the Nintendo Switch 2 is not just real but already deep into development, and some of its wild secrets may have already been revealed. This script will dive into everything we know, everything rumored, and what these leaks could mean for Nintendo's future. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Nintendo Switch is still selling well even years after its debut, but it is no longer cutting edge in terms of graphics or performance. Competitors like the Steam Deck, Asus ROG Ally, and Sony's return to handheld gaming have shown what modern technology can achieve in portable form factors. Players are demanding higher resolutions, smoother frame rates, and faster loading times. Nintendo has always taken a different approach, prioritizing fun gameplay and innovative mechanics over raw specs, but with the Switch 2, the company may finally be aiming for a significant technological leap. According to industry insiders, the Switch 2 could deliver a new level of performance that blends Nintendo's trademark creativity with the kind of hardware power gamers have been asking for. One of the biggest leaks revolves around the hardware itself. Multiple sources have hinted that the Switch 2 will feature a custom NVIDIA chipset based on the company's Ampere or Ada Lovelace GPU architecture. This could potentially enable features like DLSS upscaling, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced performance. DLSS, or Deep Learning Supersampling, is NVIDIA's secret weapon that allows games to run at lower resolutions internally and then be upscaled to higher resolutions with almost no noticeable loss in quality. If Nintendo really includes this technology, we could see the Switch 2 running modern AAA titles in 4K when docked and at least 1080p in handheld mode. That would be a massive jump from the current Switch, which often struggles to maintain stable performance even at 720p in handheld. The screen is another area where Nintendo could be making major improvements. The original Switch used an LCD panel, while the upgraded OLED model in 2021 gave us more vibrant colors and deeper blacks. But leaks suggest that the Switch 2 might include an even larger OLED display, possibly around 8 inches, with higher resolution and better refresh rates. Some sources claim Nintendo may even experiment with mini-LED technology for brighter visuals and improved energy efficiency. A better screen could transform handheld gaming, making games look sharper, smoother, and more immersive than ever before. Another important aspect that leaks have pointed to is backwards compatibility. Nintendo has a long and sometimes inconsistent history with supporting past libraries, but the Switch's enormous success and massive software catalog make backwards compatibility with existing Switch games almost a necessity. Many insiders are reporting that the Switch 2 will indeed support the current library, though enhanced by improved hardware. Imagine playing Breath of the Wild, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, or Super Smash Bros. Ultimate with faster load times, upgraded textures, and higher frame rates. Nintendo could not only preserve its existing ecosystem but also add value to older titles without forcing fans to repurchase them. When it comes to design, secrecy has been tight,